Hi everyone from CPSC 217. This is going to be a short demonstration on how you can submit your assignments onto D2L. So by now you should be familiar with the PyCharm environment and writing your code inside a Python file. You can tell this is a Python file because it ends in the extension .py. Okay, but before you submit your code onto D2L, I want you to do three things. First thing I want you to do is to go ahead and run your code once more. So click on the small triangle, go through your code, and see that you're happy with the output that you're getting. The next thing you need to do is to go to these four horizontal bars in the left corner, which may say File for you in some versions, and click on Save All. Okay, you're happy with the output, you've saved your file. Now you need to know where your file is. So look up here at your folder name, and right beside that you will see where your file is. So for me, it's an exercise 3 Python file, which is in a folder called CPSC 217, which is on the desktop. Okay, now you're all set to set your file onto D2L. So very carefully, without changing anything in the code or moving anything around, go to D2L and sign in and come to the CPSC 217 page. Once you're here, click on Assessments and Dropbox. Now, Dropbox will give you a list of all the exercises you can submit to. So let's say I want to submit to exercise set 3. So I'm going to click exercise set 3. And this is a great way to double check your answers. So you can check the question and see if the code that you wrote was actually for this question. And go down, you will see submit assignment, add a file. Click on add a file. It'll ask you where you want to add it from. Click my computer. Okay, now you're all set to upload your file onto D2L. There are two ways you could do this. The conventional way would be to click on this upload button here. This is going to bring up your file directory. So if you remember where your file was stored, you can bring it up here. So I know my file was on the desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop, CPSC 217, and exercise 3.py. Make sure you're only selecting your .py file and nothing else. So I'm going to click open, and there is upload. Another way you could do this is by dragging and dropping right directly from PyCharm. So if you want to try that, very carefully move this to a side, and then you can drag your Python file all the way here to the upload box. Make sure again you're only dragging your Python file. And there you have it. That's got uploaded as well. So now I have two versions. I'm just going to delete the second one. Okay. Now what you do is go ahead and click add. There, it's been added. And now you need to submit it. So go down and click on submit. It's going to ask you whether you confirm. Click on yes. And there, it should say file submission successful. And the only thing that should be submitted is your .py file. Now you can go ahead and click done, and your submission should reflect on your Dropbox page. So that's how you can submit your assignments on D2L. Bye.